Hello, my name is Giovanni Perez, and the purpose of this field exercise was to bring awareness to individuals about the negative effects that cloud computing has on the environment. And the title I chose for it was Is Your Head in the Cloud? The reason I chose this topic is because I recently learned from our textbook just how harmful cloud computing is, and I was honestly shocked by it. I've always been aware of the more popular topics like electric vehicles or disposing of your electronics properly, but I felt that it was safe to assume that the majority of people are still unaware of how they contribute to this every single day using their cloud based services like Amazon, Netflix, Hulu, and whatnot. So the goal is to educate individuals on this, figure out where their awareness lies, and then go ahead and give them some sort of direction so that they can make more educated decisions. So the way I decided to go about this is I created a flyer, a physical flyer with a QR code, which once scanned would take them to an assessment survey. And then from the assessment survey, it would take them to an educational video that I created and resources to link you to your favorite companies and to tell you what it is that they are doing to stay green. I went ahead and I was able to speak with my building, and I was able to put my flyers up in the elevators, and I also created some digital flyers, which I sent to friends and family. Overall, I received 42 responses, and without going through each individual question, the majority of people do not know what cloud computing is, therefore they do not know how it may affect the environment in a negative way. But the interesting one was, even with the lack of knowledge, the majority of them here, which the question is, would you be willing to switch to a cloud computing service that is more environmentally friendly, even if it means sacrificing some features or paying a higher price? The majority of them said that they would. So what that tells me is that the lack of awareness on this subject does not allow people to make educated decisions and when they decide which companies they want to subscribe to and who they want to do business with, essentially. So at the end of the survey, you'll get taken to the educational video, which we're not going to go through, but basically the video covers different facts and sheds some light on the realities of cloud computing and the negative effects it can have on the environment. But most importantly, it ends up going us to what can you do to help with this. And basically, it is knowing what your favorite companies are doing to reduce their carbon footprint and make sure that their goals align with yours. Finally, you get taken to the resources page, which contains the links I discussed earlier. These links will take you to the company's info page, where they discuss what they are doing to stay environmentally friendly and green. And for the individual that is reading this, it will bring them more awareness and educate them better so that they can make the best decisions possible about their contribution to the environment.